Alrighty, y'all ready to come make some seafood fondue? Let's go! First, we're going to be melting down 1 stick of unsalted butter, adding in 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. Next, adding in 2 cups of parmesan cheese, melt this down on low. Now we're going to be taking extra virgin olive oil, 1 shallot chop, half white onion chop. Cook this till translucent. Very nice. From here we're going to be adding in 1 cup of sliced cremini mushrooms. Then adding in 6 ounces of shrimp, 4 ounces of crawfish tails, 2 cups of chicken stock, half cup of dry sherry. Then adding in our cheese sauce, giving it some nice mix so everything is combined on low. Very nice. Garnishing this with some chopped spinach, half a tablespoon of Cajun seasoning. Mix well and serve. A little bit of pepper and salt as needed. To plate, we're going to be adding in a little bit of our green onions, also some chopped parsley, and serve with garlic bread. Look at how amazing that looks. As always, please do like, subscribe, follow for future recipes, and I hope to see y'all again now. You hear? Bye-bye!